Hi everyone! Welcome to another episode of Exosia Properties House Tour, and for today's video, nandito tayo sa Katarungan Village and ang featured property natin is this ready for occupancy unit. But before we start, please click like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates. This is Abby Federico, your property host. For this ready for occupancy unit, yung orientation nito is morning sun or facing east. And yung lot area nito is 127 square meters, 0.5. And then yung floor area nito is nasa around 190 square meters. So dito yung gate natin para sa ating vehicle or vehicular carport gate. And ito yung ating pedestrian gate. So dito tayo dadaan. Ito yung ating space for our carport area. So, kaya dito ang dalawang SUV. And by the way guys, yung property na to is single attached. So, meron tayong firewall sa side na yon. So, dito tayo. So, this will serve as your lanai. Naka-pebble type flooring tayo as well as dun sa ating carport area. Naka-pebble type flooring din tayo. And meron tayo ditong sliding door from our dining area. Mamaya ipapakita ko yan sa inyo. And dito naman sa likod na area natin, so dito yung ating service area. So meron tayo dito mga outlet, yung brand dito is Panasonic, as well as may mga faucet na rin tayo dito. And meron na rin tayo dito na service sink. So dito sa area na to, so may space ka pa rin. Yan, pwede ka dito maglagay ng iyong extended kitchen o kaya naman ng iyong laundry area. Welcome naman sa loob na ating unit. So, yung door na ginamit dito is solid door siya. Yan, so malaki yung size ng door natin. So, dito tayo. Yan, ito yung magsaserve as your receiving area. And by the way, dun pala sa ilalim ng hagdan, may space pa yun na pwede mong i-utilize as your storage area. And meron tayo dito mga awning windows. Yan, mga awning windows tayo dyan. And then may screen na rin tayo dyan, yung awning windows natin. So magaganda, high quality yung mga awning windows natin with screen. And ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo kanina na sliding door from our lanai. So may screen na rin tayo dyan. So pwede ka dito maglagay ng either receiving or dining mo kasi open layout tayo dito sa area na to. Hanggang sa kitchen. Yan. So, for our kitchen, meron tayo ditong backsplash, kakulay lang din, or same tiles lang din na ginamit dito sa ating countertop. As well as meron tayong cabinets na overhead and under counter. Yan, marami na rin yan, mga under counter cabinets natin. And naka-stainless sink tayo dito with gooseneck faucet. Ayan siya. So, dito naman tayo. Ito yung magsaserve as your powder area dito sa ating ground floor. So, meron tayo ditong water closet with bidet and yung ating freestanding lavatory. Meron na rin tayo ditong mirror. And ang maganda sa property na to, isa sa advantage niya, meron siya ditong ground floor bedroom. Yan. So, this is our ground floor bedroom. Pwede mong i-utilize as your helper's room o kaya naman para sa mga kasama natin sa bahay na ayaw na umakyat ng second floor. So, okay din naman yung space, okay yung size, and may saka ditong cabinet. So, dito naman, pakita ko sa inyo. Ayan. Meron tayo ditong shower area. Yan. So, may shower area tayo dito sa room na ito. So, recap muna tayo bago tayo umakyat sa second floor. So, itong property na to is located dito sa Katarungan Village. And yung price nito as of June 2026 is 9 million. And pwede mo siyang ma-reserve for 100,000. Available ito via bank financing. And yung lot area nito is 127 square meters. For the floor is 190 square meters. Meron kang 2 carport area, service area, lanai, living and dining, kitchen. And meron tayong powder room, and yung ating ground floor. So, tara na sa second. Welcome naman sa ating second floor. So, dito sa second floor, meron tayong total of 3 bedrooms and 2 toilet and bath. And ipa-appreciate ko lang sa inyo yung ating stairs. So, naka-tempered glass tayo dito and meron tayong wooden handrails. And yung steps natin dito is wooden na rin yan dito sa ating stairs. So, unahin kong ipakita ito. Yan. This is our first bedroom. Okay yung space natin kahit double size bed. May matitira ka pa ring space and may abang na ito for your window type aircon. As well as meron ka ditong vanity area. Yan, vanity area mo. And may cabinet pa rin ito na included sa package ng property na ito. And dito tayo. Ito yung ating second bedroom. Medyo malaki ito ng content sa naunang bedroom. Pero still, meron pa rin tayo dito mga cabinets, tas yung bintana natin with screen. And also yung ating, yan, vanity area. May vanity area pa rin tayo dito. Dito tayo. And this is our common toilet and bath. Yan. Tingnan niyo yung common toilet and bath natin. Malaki yung space natin for our shower area. So, may accent tayo dito sa ating wet area. Naka-handheld shower tayo dito. Ayan. And para naman sa ating dry area is meron tayo syempre water closet with bidet and also your lavatory. And para sa last part ng ating video or ng house tour na to is ito yung ating master bedroom. Pakita ko lang, ikutin natin. Yan yung ating master bedroom, di ba, malaki. So maganda yung tiles nga pala dito, yung color ng tiles or yung theme ng tiles is para siyang wooden. Yan, so may mga outlets naman tayo dyan as well as may mga outlets na rin tayo for your aircon. Tapos, ang maganda dito sa ating master, ang laki ng bintana natin. Yan. Kita mo, may screen window na tayo dito. And ang laki ng bintana mo. So, for natural light. Tapos, ang maganda pa kasi dito, since ito yung master natin, siya yung nakaharap sa facade. So, kuhang-kuha mo dito yung iyong morning sun. Kasi nga, facing east itong property na ito. And then, dito naman sa area na to, yan, may mga cabinets tayo dyan. And your vanity area. And para sa master natin is meron itong ensuite, toilet and bath. Yan, ito yung ating ensuite toilet and bath. So, complete set of fixtures tayo. Kita nyo, floor to ceiling tiles and may accent yung dito sa area natin. Ayan, meron tayo ditong mirror. Yung mirror natin is, meron siyang cabinet dyan and your lavatory. And ang maganda pa dito, meron tayo ditong glass shower enclosure dito sa area na to and as well as naka-handheld shower na rin. So that's it for our ready for occupancy unit dito sa Katarungan Village. Ulitin ko lang, yung price nito as of June 2026 is 9 million. Ilalagay namin dyan sa description box yung full details at ang aming contact numbers. Thank you for watching!